You know what's quietly killing small service businesses? 2 hours a day lost to phone tag, no-shows, and scheduling chaos. If you run a salon, cleaning company, personal training studio, or any business where people book time with you, this is probably your life. It doesn't have to be. AI scheduling tools have gotten genuinely good. Not perfect, but good enough that you can set one up over a weekend and feel the difference by Monday. The price is also lower than most expect. Let's walk through how to pick and use one without wasting money on features that don't solve your real problems. Before looking at any tool, be honest about what's actually breaking down. Most service businesses struggle with clients who don't show up, too much time on the phone scheduling, staff schedules that are a nightmare, or no way for people to book outside business hours. Write down your top 2 or 3 headaches. The tool you pick should directly fix at least 2 of them. Here's what confuses people. AI gets slapped on almost everything, and many scheduling tools use it to describe basic online booking forms. There's a real difference between AI-assisted booking and fully automated scheduling, and picking the wrong one is the most common mistake. AI-assisted booking means a human starts the process, but software handles the annoying parts, suggesting open slots, sending confirmations, reminders. Tools like Acuity Scheduling and Calendly work this way. They're easier to set up and work well for most service businesses. Fully automated scheduling goes further. The AI can have a back-and-forth conversation with potential clients and book appointments without you involved. Tools like Vigero with its AI Receptionist add-on get close. More powerful, but they take more time to configure. If you're just starting, go AI-assisted first. You can upgrade later. Here's the step almost everyone skips. Before signing up for anything, map out your actual availability rules on paper. Which hours are you available? How long does each service take? How much buffer time do you need between appointments? Which days don't you work? Do staff members have different schedules? AI scheduling tools are only as smart as the rules you feed them. If you say you're available 9 to 5 every weekday, but actually never work past 3 on Fridays, you'll get bookings that make your life harder. 20 minutes of prep here saves hours of cleanup later. Once you've picked a tool, the first thing you do after signing up is connect it to your existing calendar, Google, Apple, or Outlook, whatever your team uses. Then connect it to your phone number or email for reminders. If these connections aren't set up, your tool lives in a silo, and the classic problem appears fast. A booking comes in through the app, nobody sees it, and someone gets double booked. Most good tools make this connection in about 10 minutes. Now, the single highest return feature, automated reminders. Businesses that send SMS reminders 24 hours before appointments see dramatically fewer no-shows than those relying on email alone. Set up at least 2 reminders, one the day before and one a couple hours before. If your tool supports two-way texting, turn that on. It lets clients confirm, cancel, or reschedule without calling you. Test it. Book a fake appointment for yourself. Go through the whole experience as a client, and make sure reminders arrive and links work on a phone. 10 minutes of testing catches almost every setup problem. Which tools are worth your time? Acuity Scheduling is strong for solo providers and small teams. Free plan and paid plans start around $20 monthly, rising to $34 when managing multiple staff. It's clean and easy to use. Calendly is intuitive and good for one-on-one appointments. Vigero is built for wellness and beauty businesses, salons, spas, fitness studios, with a genuine AI receptionist add-on. Here's the honest limitation. None of these tools are truly set and forget. They require upkeep. When your hours change, when you add a service, when staff comes or goes, you have to update the rules. A tool running on outdated information causes more confusion than having no tool at all. Plan to spend a few minutes every month keeping your settings current. The phone tag, no-shows, and double bookings are solvable problems. The cost to fix them has come way down. But the tool is only half of it. The other half is being honest about how your business actually runs before you set anything up. Do that right, and you'll wonder how you managed without it.